Oh friends, welcome to a new video. Top 5 best
hand coffee grinders.
Number 5.
Müller Austria manual coffee grinder. Dial in your preferred grind size, built-in adjustable grind selector with over 18 click settings. Always ready to go wherever, whenever. No batteries, power, or long plastic cords needed. Quality above all else, crafted with the same essence as traditional German cookware. Order now risk-free. 100% money-back guarantee, no questions asked. Order today while supplies last. Outdoors trip or any coffee adventure you choose.
Number 4.
JavaPress manual coffee grinder with conical burr mill. Built-in adjustable grind selector with over 18 click settings ensures no batteries, power, or long plastic cords needed to operate your convenient removable hand crank mechanism consistently eliminates crafted with the same essence as traditional Japanese cookware, our patent pending. What our Amazon customers say, holy cow, is this grinder awesome.
Number 3.
Manual coffee bean grinder. Precise grind, every time you brew, up to you. Adjust your conical burr coffee. Taste the difference built due to loud, mechanical grinders that rob your Java. Take it to go, stay on the grind everywhere you choose, backpacking, hiking. Cream and sugar freebie to thank you for purchasing a coffee hand grind. Savory satisfaction guarantee at Aramori, we don't want anything to get between.
Number 2.
Regiard honey extractor beekeeping supply beehive. High quality materials, our products are built to last. Use it anywhere. This portable manual coffee grinder is meant. Adjustable grind selector, the conical burr coffee grinder. Measure brews, the ceramic coffee grinder has a measuring base. Customer satisfaction guaranteed, we are so sure that.
Number 1.
Kana manual coffee grinder. Small, light and quiet, perfect for up to 2 coffee drinkers while camping, traveling or at the office. See your results after each grind setting adjustments, unlike stainless steel models. grind settings suitable for all coffee makers. 18-click adjustable burst settings. Easy on the hands while grinding. A thicker glass base to grasp coupled with a rigid high-density conical burrs made from industrial ceramic with temperature stability.